Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to write a job application letter for a horse trainer position. If you are applying for a job in the equestrian industry, especially as a professional horse trainer, this video will help you understand how to structure your letter step by step. A job application letter is a formal document written by a job seeker to an employer to express interest in a position. This letter introduces you, explains your qualifications, demonstrates your experience, and shows why you are a suitable candidate. For horse training positions, a well-written application letter is especially important because employers need candidates who are skilled, responsible, and capable of working with horses safely and professionally. Let's go through the sample letter sentence by sentence. The letter begins with the applicant's information, placed at the top left of the page. Samantha Walker, 1180 Valley Crest Road, Lexington, Kentucky, 40505. Email, samantha.walker@email.com. Phone, 859-447-5892. This section is important because it provides your full contact details. Employers should be able to reach you quickly, whether by phone or email. Make sure your email address looks professional and not casual or playful, as this reflects on your level of professionalism. Including your full address is also standard in business letters, especially in the United States. Next, the letter includes the date. Date, June 15th, 2026. Adding the date is a basic but necessary part of professional correspondence. It gives the employer a reference point for when the application was sent and helps keep communications organized. After that, we include the employer's information. Hiring manager, Blue Ridge Equestrian Training Center, 2456 Meadowbrook Lane, Louisville, Kentucky, 40222. This section shows who the letter is intended for. If you know the hiring manager's name, you can include it, but if not, hiring manager is perfectly acceptable. Including the business name and address shows that the letter is specifically tailored to that organization and not a generic letter copied for many applications. Employers appreciate seeing that you took the time to address them directly. Next comes the subject line. Subject, application for horse trainer position. A subject line quickly tells the reader what the letter is about. Employers may have multiple positions open, so this helps them easily categorize your application and process it efficiently. Now we come to the salutation, which is the greeting. Dear Hiring Manager, this is a polite and formal way to begin the letter. If you had a specific name, this is where you would replace it. For example, Dear Mrs. Clark. The salutation sets the tone for the letter and demonstrates professionalism and respect. Now we move into the first main paragraph. I am writing to apply for the horse trainer position at Blue Ridge Equestrian Training Center. With over 6 years of experience in equine training, behavioral conditioning, and exercise programs for both competitive and recreational horses, I am confident that I can contribute positively to your training facility. This paragraph introduces the purpose of the letter. The applicant states clearly that they are applying for the horse trainer position. This is important because employers want to know immediately which role you are interested in, especially if they have several positions open. The paragraph also summarizes key qualifications: 6 years of experience, behavioral conditioning, and training programs. This helps the employer see right away that the applicant has relevant experience and understands horse training at different levels, including both competitive and recreational riding. When writing your own letter, make sure your opening paragraph is confident, direct, and highlights your strongest qualifications. Now we move to the second main paragraph. In my current role at Rolling Hills Stables in Lexington, I specialize in groundwork, riding instruction, and preparing horses for shows and safe rider handling. I have worked successfully with young, green, and rehabilitating horses, focusing on calm, consistent training that builds confidence and performance. I am also experienced in assisting students, evaluating training progress, and maintaining safe working conditions for horses and riders. This paragraph gives more detail about the applicant's responsibilities and skills. Mentioning groundwork, riding instruction, and show preparation shows the employer that the applicant is hands-on and understands different levels of horse training. This is key in the equestrian field, where employers need trainers who can handle not only well-trained horses, but also young or inexperienced horses. The applicant also demonstrates training philosophy, calm and consistent methods that build confidence. Many employers value trainers who prioritize safety, patience, and positive reinforcement, so including this in your letter shows maturity and professionalism. The paragraph also mentions working with students and evaluating progress, which communicates communication skills and teaching ability. Finally, mentioning safety standards for both horses and riders is crucial, as employers want trainers who can maintain a secure environment. Next, we move to the third paragraph. I admire Blue Ridge Equestrian Training Center's commitment to professional development and high-quality care, and I would welcome the opportunity to bring my skills, patience, and dedication to your team. I'm available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. This paragraph shows that the applicant has done some research on the employer. Expressing admiration for the company shows genuine interest rather than appearing like a mass application. Employers like to see this because it means the applicant is applying thoughtfully. The applicant also states that they would like to bring their skills and dedication to the organization. Then they mention availability for an interview and provide multiple contact methods. This makes it easy for the employer to follow up. Now we come to the closing sentence. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of contributing to your organization. This is a polite and positive closing, expressing appreciation and confidence. Ending kindly helps leave a good impression with the employer. Finally, we have the closing signature block. Sincerely, signature, Samantha Walker. Sincerely is a standard professional closing. If this were printed, the applicant would sign above their typed name. For email submissions, the typed name is perfectly acceptable. When writing a job application letter for a horse trainer position, your goal is to show not only your experience, but also your approach to working with horses and riders. Employers want trainers who are patient, knowledgeable, confident, and safe. Make sure to include your strongest qualifications, examples of training success, and a clear sense of your training philosophy. Always proofread your letter before submitting it to avoid spelling or formatting errors. And finally, write with confidence. If you have the skills and experience, your letter should reflect that. With dedication and a well-structured application, you will greatly increase your chances of being called for an interview and moving forward in the hiring process.